testing the Sigma 16mm f1.4 lens on my A7RII, and this is how it looks. Just kidding, this is not in crop mode, so you see the border of the lens. Okay, so now we're in crop mode and we're gonna do some testing in 4K. Before I test it, I already know that the image quality wise is really good. I've already used this Sigma on my A7RII in many occasions, including vlogging. I can fully utilize the in-body image stabilization to have more steady shots, and yeah, it's perfect for vlogging in my opinion. 16mm. It's a 24mm equivalent on full frame. It's a little bit narrower than 24, maybe 24.5, maybe 25 something, but yeah, it's pretty good. And f1.4, it's gorgeous. You can see a lot of background blur. Alright, 16mm crop lens on full frame. Actually, it doesn't look that bad, because when I shoot 4K, the image crops in a little bit. It looks okay in my opinion, and it's wider. Now it's super dark here in this basement. I'm gonna walk out just to test everything, just to show you how it looks. We're gonna crop it in post, and we're gonna see how it works. I think if you crop in the post, the end result will be wider anyway than just using APS-C mode. It's my guess, so we're gonna find out soon. Yeah, what do you think? What if I just leave the border here? What if I just leave it in? Is it gonna be ugly? It's gonna be annoying, disturbing, distracting. Could be. Alright, that's the little experiment. What do you think? Alright, see ya. Okay, I'm gonna shoot the same stuff, same sequence again, but this time in crop mode. 4K is gonna be better in low light situation. What we really want to check is whether or not it is wider this way or wider in full frame. We'll see which one is wider. So you have a nice little comparison image here. We're gonna see which one is wider. Alright, that's it. That's all the purpose of this this video. Well, let's go back. There's a bee. Now it's super dark here in this basement. I'm gonna walk out just to test everything, just to show you how it looks. We're gonna crop it in post, and we're gonna see how it works. I think if you crop in the post, the end result will be wider anyway than just using APS-C mode. It's my guess, so we're gonna find out soon. Testing the Sigma 16mm f1.4 lens on my A7RII. Okay, so now we're in crop mode and we're gonna do some testing in 4K.